Hey guys, welcome. And come and join me to unbox this Redmi Pad 2 Pro. First, let's unbox the cover. So this is the cover. It feels plasticky. I really can't tell what the material is made with, but it looks okay. It looks good. I think I like it. Now let's unbox the pad itself. Yeah, showing you all the angles so you can see properly. This is really tough. This packaging is solid. I like it also. I guess we could just tear it over there. Yeah, put it up there and tear the other parts. Wow, it's massive than I thought. Yeah, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Oh, lovely packaging. And quad speakers. Hope it's very good. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? Alright, those are okay. The manuals. Okay. Charger, 33 watts. Oh, that's okay. What is a 12,000 milliamp battery? And that's the cord. Okay, let's see what we have inside there. Oh, it's empty. It's empty. Oh yeah, we have the ejector for the memory card. Okay, let me take this aside. Now let's look at the tablet itself. Oof, lovely. Easy. All right. Oh, this looks very sleek. Looks very beautiful. I like it. It feels like metal. It's by millimeter. Oh, there's a lot of reflections on the body, on the screen. Hopefully it owns. I hope you don't aim to use it under the sunlight. Okay, this looks good. Now let me plug this in. How many seconds is it going to use to boot? All right. It's taking longer than expected. It's meant to move very fast. Come on. Xiaomi Hyper OS. Oh, lovely gradient. The animation on it looks good. Looks really good. Okay. Shows nice and came down. Settings. Yeah, that looks, it's fluid. That's very fast. 120 Hz, by the way. Okay, lovely. It's fast. I like the speed. Yeah, really fast. I like this. Okay, YouTube look nice on this. I really like it. This is good. Smooth also, very smooth.
I urge you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, to present your bodies
Anyways, guys,
and holy
I hope you enjoyed this unboxing
acceptable
video.
to God,
And don't forget to
which is
like
your
and
spiritual
subscribe.